guys, this is Traveler's Diary. My name is Asis. In today's video we'll be going to Best Buy and see some GoPro, and I'll show you guys some unboxing and also show the video and image quality of GoPro. So let's go guys. Home with our new GoPro and with the SD card and also the tripod. So I'll show you guys once I reach home how it looks like and what quality of the video and image it shows us. So let's go guys. So this is the unboxing of GoPro Hero 9. So I'm gonna unzip it and I'm gonna show it to you guys how it looks like when you buy either GoPro from Best Buy and when you unzip your new cool looking GoPro. So let's see. So there you go. So we have a GoPro here and we get with some cables, Type-C, and this is the battery that you will get, and a clamp, and also this is for clamping, and yeah, this is also, you can use it to add other accessories, and yeah, you can keep this or you can just remove it and keep everything so that you know you can add other thing that you buy, maybe additional batteries. So let's see how the GoPro Hero 9 looks like. Let me tear this as well. So this is Hero 9 Black, and let's take this out. And this is also out. So yeah, this is the Hero 9 GoPro, and we can put the tripod here, so we can keep it as a stand, or we can also pull this out and make it as a tripod, as a stake, so that you can, you know, you can video yourself. So yeah, this is while you are traveling, then it's helpful. So we got the GoPro Hero 9, we got the tripod, and we got the SD card. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how the video quality looks like from this GoPro Hero 9. So let's see some videos from this cool camera.